What's going on? YouTube, fan base. I see y'all out there. PK, Porsche Kev, PK Network. So if you guys don't know what's going on, entrepreneur, undercover boss, you know, I got all these different little series I do. But this, that is a buffer. Now that's like a carpet cleaning machine and all the stuff, right? But it spins around. But I'm going to use it for not that. I'm going to use it like a rodeo. And y'all know how you get the buck in that thing. They get to spinning that thing. Y'all let me know what you think. Don't try this at home. Woo. All right. Right. One more round. Whew. I told you this baby ain't no joke. PK Porsche Kev, y'all remember to like, subscribe. Rodeo carpet cleaner buffer. Woo. Woo. Hey, it gets out of control, I told you. All right, here we go. Woo. Oh. Y'all remember to like and subscribe.